So this is a quick overview of how to use PowerPoint to do some pretty fast photo editing effects for making designs and ads and things. This is not good for like little detail edits and photos, but there's some really cool stuff you can do here. So let's find our photos first. Um, so I'm going to click here on Obama and find a picture I like. And I'm in Google Images. I'll click on the picture, click full size. Now, most of the time you can just click copy and copy the picture. If you're having trouble with that, you can save it to your computer, or if you're using a tablet, you can use the Windows S key. But copy works most of the time. So I'm going to copy, then Control V, paste my picture in. Now move it to the right place, and I'll drag the corners to make it the size I want. Now, also remember you can crop in PowerPoint by double clicking with the left key. So you double click, and do a click here. Do you see that over here in the upper right corner is something called crop? So crop means I can cut some of the picture down. And if I click the crop button again, I cut the picture down. Now, a few other tools, when you click on the image, if you go over here, you'll see there's all kinds of tools you have here. So first thing I can do is I could really quickly change the color of the picture. Let's make it like blue here. And then I can do, that's under colors, and under artistic effects, there's some really cool things that would be pretty hard to actually do in PowerPoint easily. The filters here are really, really slick. So I can choose that filter right here. And then that'll go back to insert up here in the upper left corner. I'm going to insert a text box. And I'll go vote Obama in Ohio. So I'm just adding text, change this. I'll change the font size. And let's change the font. And let's say I want to add a shape, so I can go insert, and I'm going to add a box right here. So I'm going to add a box, and then I'm going to send this to the back so it's behind my text. And here, if I click on the little green bead, I can rotate my text. So, and then let's add another insert. 3 reasons, reason 1, reason 2, 3. So when I'm ready, and these are the generic boxes back there. Let me just get rid of that. So if I'm done with my thing, what I can do now is I go File, Save As, and I save this as an image. So it's important I save this as a picture, not a PowerPoint, because it's going to be harder for me later. And save this to my social studies, homework print 2. I'd save just current slide, and then you can take a look, see how it looks. And there we go. I have my printout.